RowZero is a next-gen spreadsheet built for big data that easily opens very large files and automatically unzips and opens compressed files. So you can open .gz and .zip files with a simple import. Let's take a look. I'm in a new workbook and I can go to Data and I can import from File, URL, or Amazon S3. I'll choose Amazon S3. And RowZero can import a variety of file types, including compressed files like .gz and .zip. I'll choose this CSV.gz file. I'll see a preview here and I can choose my destination. I can import into cells or a data table. I have some options for how I want to parse the file, but this should all be handled automatically. You can click import and it will import automatically. And this was a 7.2 million row file, but RowZero can actually support much bigger files. And this is now a spreadsheet. It works just like Excel, so I can do all my favorite spreadsheet work. I can add filters, I can sort, I can insert pivot tables, I can chart, and I can write all of my favorite Excel compatible functions to process the file, analyze it, clean it up, whatever I want to do. And at any time, if I want to, I can download my file as a CSV if I'm on a paid plan. And so this can be an easy way to convert a .gz file to a CSV. I can also connect to my database or data warehouse to import the file there as well. So you can see RowZero makes it super easy to unzip big files and work with them in a powerful spreadsheet. You can try RowZero for free at rowzero.io and see why RowZero is the best spreadsheet for big data.